Hi everyone, my name is Birazar Siddharth. Today date is 6 April 2022. Today's topic is difference between SQL and MySQL. What is SQL? SQL is a short form structured query language as per the ANSI, American National Standard Institute guidelines. SQL is the standards language to maintain and manage a database. Besides a few minor syntax changes, most of the database queries for retrieving, adding or manipulating data are based on the standard SQL syntax. SQL was first developed at IBM. With SQL, you can easily query a database to add, alter, update or delete data in the plain English like language. You can use SQL to manage multiple relational database management system such as MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and MS Access. By writing codes and queries in SQL, you can create or modify any database along with the creation of schemas. What is MySQL? MySQL is a relational database management system developed and released back in 1995. It was developed and sponsored by MySQL AB, which was then acquired by Sun Microsystem, which you know today as Oracle Corporation. MySQL is combination of my co-founder daughters and SQL. MySQL was one of the earliest open source RDBMS to be ever developed and launched. Currently, there are many variants. MySQL, however, the basic syntax of all the variation remains the same, designed and written in C and C++ programming language. MySQL is comparable with the primary operating system. It is core component of widely popular one service web application software stack called LLAMP, which stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl, Python. What is the difference between SQL and MySQL? Definition: MySQL is the popular option source declares the available in the market, which is developed by the Swedish company MySQL. Here, SQL is a distributed query language, is a database programming language that is lethal for the market in the managing of our relational database. In which purpose? Second is purpose. MySQL linked for data handling, storing, deleting, and uploading the data in the tabular form, and it is used to and query and operate the database. Third is updates. MySQL is software, so it gets frequent updation. The current database version is 8.20, which provides two times later faster speed then faster than the provides of version. And SQL is programming language in which that's the why it does not get any updates. Its commands for the statements always finds fixed and remain the same. Fourth is type. It is database software that align SQL language to the conduct with the database, and it is query is a language of managing a database. And fifth is complexity. It is easily used to the through it simple developing and downloading and installation. And queries requires learning language learning the language to the use of efficiently. Sixth is usage. MySQL is used to RDBMS for managing relational database, and SQL commands for statement are used in the various DBMS and DBMS, RDBMS, MySQL, Intel SQL commands. And seventh is support for connections. It provides the MySQL workbench tools to design the develop database. No connection available in the SQL. And which eighth is multi multi-null and flexibility and community support advantages. Thank you.